If you're passionate about reading, learning and making the most of your books, I'm going to show you an app that might be a game changer. Hey there fellow bookworms! In today's video I've got something special to talk about. The Readwise app. First things first, what exactly is Readwise? Well, it's a fantastic app designed to supercharge your reading experience. It's like having your own personal librarian and memory enhancer in one place. What's so good about it? One of Readwise's superpowers is its ability to gather and organize all your book highlights. Whether you're a Kindle, Apple Books or a Goodreads user, Readwise seamlessly imports all your highlights and syncs them into one place. No more scattered notes. But Readwise is not just a highlight aggregator. It's a learning booster. With its daily email feature, you receive a personalized roundup of your book highlights. This daily dose of wisdom keeps the knowledge fresh and ensures that you don't forget all those valuable insights. But that's not all. Readwise also helps you organize your highlights with tags, making it super easy to find that quote or idea you're looking for when you need it the most. If you're feeling like revisiting your past reads, Readwise offers quick reviews that are as efficient as they are effective. It's like your personal flashcard system for knowledge retention. Also, did I mention the search feature? It's like a magic wand for your bookshelf, instantly pulling up that elusive quote or concept hidden deep within your library. If you're into digital note-taking and knowledge management, Readwise seamlessly integrates with other note-taking apps such as Notion, Evernote and Roam Research. Your highlights can be part of your broader knowledge system. Readwise is a must-have app for avid readers, learners and knowledge enthusiasts. It takes your book highlights to next level, turning them into valuable resource for your personal and professional growth. If you've already experienced the magic of Readwise, share your thoughts in the comments below. How has it improved your reading and learning? I would love to know. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video informative, and also subscribe for more videos like this on apps and tools to enhance your reading journey. Thank you for joining and exploring of the Readwise app. Until next time, keep reading, keep learning and keep growing. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.